Dancing Dolphin final inside, set to go na race number 1. Good luck on your winner take all tickets. Gates open, they're up and racing. Dancing Dolphin draws for your lead, moving up by the rail to grab the lead is Gross Income, followed by Carefree Treasure. Concert King comes next, Lionport, then moving up is Another Stunner as they race towards the half-mile pole. It's Gross Income leading the field by about 5 lengths. Running in second is Carefree Treasure, racing in third Concert King. Dancing Dolphin is already outside, Another Stunner, then followed by Lionport as they race towards the 450. It's still Gross Income leading the field by about 6 lengths. Running in second once again, already outside, Dancing Dolphin. Running by the rail is Carefree Treasure. Concert King is already outside, and out a stretch they come. It's still Gross Income leading the field. Lionport, Concert King is already outside. Gross Income, Concert King, Lionport is by the rail. It's still Gross Income with Tom Basilio winning this race over Concert King, Lionport. Then comes Dancing Dolphin and Musashi.
Okay.